Hey everyone, welcome to How to Fix Stuff. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And if you're looking for the perfect way to surprise your partner, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 amazing surprise ideas that will make your special someone feel truly loved. Let's get started. Surprise 1. Plan a surprise breakfast in bed. Start the day with a sweet surprise. Make your partner's favorite breakfast and serve it with a handwritten love note. Nothing says I love you like a warm meal made with love. Pro tip: add fresh flowers and a small gift on the tray for extra romance. Surprise 2. Create a DIY love treasure hunt. Make Valentine's Day fun and memorable by setting up a love-themed treasure hunt. Hide small notes or gifts around your home with clues leading to the final surprise, maybe a romantic dinner or a heartfelt gift. This is a creative way to show your love. Surprise 3. Plan a candlelight dinner at home. Skip the crowded restaurants and create a cozy, romantic dinner at home. Cook your partner's favorite meal, light some candles, and put on their favorite love songs. It's intimate, special, and shows your effort. Pro tip: if you're not good at cooking, order their favorite takeout and set it up beautifully. Instead of buying an expensive gift, create something personal. A DIY scrapbook, a photo album of your best memories, or even a custom playlist of songs that remind you of your love story. These gifts are heartfelt and will be cherished forever. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited to learn something awesome,